you ever wondered how some people manage to turn a small amount of cryptocurrency into a fortune? The world of crypto is full of stories about everyday people who started with just a few dollars and ended up with life-changing wealth. In this video, we'll explore the strategies, mindsets, and steps that help ordinary investors grow their small crypto holdings into big money. Whether you're new to crypto or looking to maximize your returns, understanding these principles is the first step toward financial transformation. Let's dive into the journey of turning small crypto into big gains. Most successful crypto investors begin with modest investments. They don't risk more than they can afford to lose. Instead, they focus on learning the basics, understanding how different cryptocurrencies work, and getting comfortable with the technology. This cautious approach helps them avoid costly mistakes early on. By starting small, they gain valuable experience and build confidence, setting the stage for bigger opportunities down the road. Remember, every big journey begins with a single step, and in crypto, that first step is often a small one. Turning small crypto into big money isn't about luck, it's about research. Successful investors spend time studying different coins, reading white papers, and following market trends. They look for projects with strong teams, real-world use cases, and active communities. By doing their homework, they avoid scams and spot opportunities before the crowd. This research-driven approach is what separates winners from losers in the fast-moving world of crypto. If you want to grow your wealth, make research your top priority. Crypto timing can make all the difference. Many investors make their biggest gains by buying when prices are low and selling when they rise. This requires patience and discipline as markets can be volatile and unpredictable. Successful investors don't chase hype, they wait for the right moment to enter or exit a position. By mastering the art of timing, they maximize profits and minimize losses. Remember, in crypto, patience often pays off. Putting all your money into one coin is risky. Smart investors spread their investments across several cryptocurrencies. This strategy, known as diversification, helps reduce risk and increases the chances of catching a big winner. By holding a mix of established coins and promising newcomers, investors can balance safety with growth potential. Diversification is a key principle for anyone looking to turn small crypto into big money. Compounding is a powerful force in the world of investing. In crypto, this means reinvesting your profits to buy more coins or tokens. Over time, these small gains can add up to significant wealth. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compounding. Even if your initial investment is small, consistent reinvestment can lead to exponential growth. This is how many investors turn modest crypto holdings into impressive fortune. Crypto market moves fast, and staying informed is crucial. Successful investors follow news updates and regulatory changes that could impact their holdings. They join online communities, read expert analysis, and keep an eye on social media trends. By staying in the loop, they can react quickly to new opportunities or threats. Information is power in crypto, and those who stay informed are better positioned to grow their wealth. Every investment carries risk, and crypto is no exception. Smart investors use risk management strategies to protect their capital. This includes setting stop-loss orders, only investing what they can afford to lose, and regularly reviewing their portfolio. By managing risk, they avoid devastating losses and stay in the game for the long term. Remember, protecting your downside is just as important as chasing big gains. No investor gets it right every time. The key is to learn from mistakes and adjust your strategy. Many successful crypto investors have stories of losses and missed opportunities. Instead of giving up, they analyze what went wrong and use those lessons to make better decisions in the future. Growth comes from experience, and every setback is a chance to improve. Embrace your mistakes as part of the journey. Patience is a virtue, especially in crypto. Prices can swing wildly in the short term, but real wealth is often built over months or years. Investors who hold through ups and downs are more likely to see big returns. It's tempting to chase quick profits, but those who stay patient and stick to their plan usually come out ahead. Remember, turning small crypto into big money is a marathon, not a sprint. The way people turn small crypto into big money is by spotting trends before they go mainstream. This means paying attention to emerging technologies, new use cases, and shifts in market sentiment. Early adopters often reap the biggest rewards as they get in before the masses. By staying curious and open-minded, investors can identify the next big thing in crypto and position themselves for outsized gains. Crypto projects with strong communities often perform better over time. Active communities drive adoption, spread awareness, and support the project through ups and downs. Investors who engage with these communities gain valuable insights and early access to news and developments. By being part of the conversation, you can spot opportunities and avoid pitfalls. Community is a powerful force in the crypto world. Security is crucial when dealing with crypto. Many investors have lost money to hacks, scams, or lost passwords. Protect your assets by using secure wallets, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your private keys safe. Never share sensitive information online, and be wary of phishing attempts. By prioritizing security, you safeguard your investments and ensure your journey from small crypto to big money isn't derailed by avoidable mistakes. Fear of missing out, or FOMO, can lead to poor decisions in crypto. Chasing after coins that have already pumped often results in buying high and selling low. Successful investors stick to their research and avoid emotional decisions. They understand that there will always be new opportunities and that patience and discipline are more important than chasing the latest hype. Avoiding FOMO is key to long-term success. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount in crypto at regular intervals, regardless of price. This approach reduces the impact of volatility and helps you build your position over time. Many successful investors use dollar cost averaging to grow their holdings without worrying about timing the market perfectly. It's a simple, effective way to turn small investments into larger ones. Knowing when to take profits is just as important as knowing when to buy. Successful investors set targets and stick to them, selling a portion of their holdings when prices reach certain levels. This disciplined approach locks in gains and reduces the risk of losing everything in a sudden downturn. By taking profits along the way, you ensure that your small crypto investments actually turn into real money. After taking profits, many investors reinvest a portion of their gains into new opportunities. This keeps their portfolio growing and allows them to capitalize on emerging trends. However, it's important to reinvest wisely, do your research, and avoid putting all your gains into high-risk bets. By balancing reinvestment with caution, you can keep your wealth growing steadily. Crypto community is full of experienced investors willing to share their knowledge. By following thought leaders, reading case studies, and joining discussions, you can learn from the successes and mistakes of others. This collective wisdom can help you avoid common pitfalls and discover new strategies for growing your crypto wealth. Never underestimate the value of learning from those who have been there before. Consistency is key in any investment journey. Successful crypto investors stick to their strategies, make regular contributions, and review their portfolios periodically. By staying consistent, they avoid emotional decisions and keep their wealth growing over time. Even small, regular investments can add up to big money if you stay the course. Crypto gains are often subject to taxes, and failing to account for them can lead to trouble. Successful investors keep records of their transactions and consult with tax professionals to ensure compliance. By understanding the tax implications of your trades, you can avoid surprises and keep more of your profits. Taxes may not be exciting, but they're an important part of turning small crypto into big money. Crypto world is full of scams and fraudulent schemes. Successful investors stay vigilant, double-check sources, and never send money to unknown parties. They use trusted exchanges and wallets, and they're cautious about offers that seem too good to be true. By staying alert, you can protect your investments and focus on genuine opportunities for growth. Technology plays a big role in successful crypto investing. From portfolio trackers to automated trading bots, there are many tools that can help you manage your investments more efficiently. By leveraging technology, investors can save time, reduce errors, and stay on top of market movements. Embracing the right tools can give you an edge in turning small crypto into big money. Clear goals help guide your investment decisions. Successful investors set realistic targets for their crypto holdings, whether it's reaching a certain dollar amount or achieving a specific return. These goals keep them focused and motivated, especially during market downturns. By setting and reviewing your goals regularly, you can stay on track and measure your progress toward turning small crypto into big money. Crypto market is always evolving and adaptability is crucial. Successful investors stay flexible, ready to adjust their strategies as new information emerges. Whether it's a regulatory change, a new technology, or a shift in market sentiment, being able to adapt quickly can make the difference between gains and losses. Stay open to change and be willing to pivot when necessary. Overtrading can eat into your profits through fees and poor timing. Successful investors avoid the temptation to trade constantly, focusing instead on high-conviction opportunities. By trading less and holding more, they reduce costs and give their investments time to grow. Remember, sometimes the best move is no move at all. Emotions can cloud judgment and lead to costly mistakes. Successful investors develop emotional control, sticking to their strategies even when markets get turbulent. They avoid panic selling during downturns and resist the urge to chase quick gains. By keeping emotions in check, you can make better decisions and stay on the path to turning small crypto into big money. Building real wealth with crypto takes time and vision. Successful investors look beyond short-term price swings and focus on the bigger picture. They believe in the technology and its potential to change the world. By maintaining a long-term perspective, they ride out volatility and position themselves for the biggest gains. Remember, patience and vision are your greatest allies. It's important to celebrate your successes along the way. Every milestone, no matter how small, is a step toward your bigger goals. Recognizing your achievements keeps you motivated and reminds you of how far you've come. Take time to appreciate your progress as you turn small crypto into big money. Many successful investors choose to give back to their communities or support causes they care about. Sharing your success can be incredibly rewarding and helps build a positive reputation in the crypto space. Whether it's mentoring newcomers or donating to charity, giving back is a meaningful way to use your gains for good. Turning small crypto into big money is a journey filled with learning, discipline, and growth. By following the strategies we've discussed, starting small, doing your research, managing risk, and staying patient, you can increase your chances of success. Remember, every big achievement starts with a single step. Stay focused, keep learning, and your crypto journey could lead to life-changing rewards.